Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get voice chat on Roblox. First of all, you have to open Roblox app and just tap on three dot or click on three dot, go to settings and just go to in privacy. Here in the privacy guys, once you are the privacy, you have to check whether you have microphone with camera input or not. If you don't have microphone, it means you haven't verified your age. I have already verified my age, and after verifying my age, instantly I got this microphone feature in the privacy, and I can enable the voice chat using this microphone. I just need to keep this option microphone enable in the privacy, and once you enable the microphone from the privacy, you just need to open any game that supports microphone as communication. Let's open this game and I'll show you how can you turn on the voice chat. And as you can see, after verifying my age, I instantly got this mic or avatar side, as you can see. So to enable the voice chat, you just need to click on this mic or avatar side, and instantly guys, your voice chat will be enabled. Now you can talk to anyone in the game. So yeah, that's how you can get and enable the voice chat in the Roblox game. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.